Didn't include one of the pies on this list. Key lime, meringue, pecan. Which of those three is number one on your list?
A good lemon meringue, actually.
Lemon meringue!
It would never beat pumpkin in my books. Pumpkin's so great.
The only reason to eat pumpkin pie is to put whipped cream on your plate.
Facts!
Oh, sucks to that ass more. It's another busy week in the office and we're debating which pies are the best.
You spelled meringue. Lemon meringue.
What the heck? Grape pie?
The problem with pumpkin pie is that
gross.
it sucks. You put pumpkin pie in my face, you take the whipped cream.
Only on Thanksgiving.
You guys just wait until Jonas gets here.
Cream doesn't belong on pumpkin pie.
What?
What?
All right,
Cream
hot
doesn't
take.
belong on pumpkin pie. If you're gonna get a handcrafted pumpkin pie,
Get out of here with your handcrafted pumpkin pie.
I respect that. I don't agree, but I respect it.
I
Shut
put-
your mouth.
I put-
what else is in that
Key
category?
lime. Lemon McGurf glue.
I feel like pumpkin should be in this category.
Yeah, I do too.
This pumpkin pie is a custard.
I totally
I'm all up for this custard pie category.
What the heck is a chess pie?
Oh, this became a lot harder.
Sweet potato!
Jonas,
You have to rank your pies. Okay, here's the only question.
the battery's low. You gotta say the answer now. Favorite sweet pie.
Is pumpkin pie the worst pie or the best pie?
Best pie.
That is a bar. What kind of texture as unripe like fruit to go?
You bro.
Thanks very much.
Yeah. Show. These hopes cancer last like 30 years ago. So you're probably wondering, what was with all those crazy transitions? Well, we're filming a whole bunch of different dipping sauces and some bowls for all the summer luncheons that people plan and need footage of. We got queso, salsa, hummus, and guac. Comment below what your favorite dip is and use it in the form of a pun, and whoever gives us the best pun gets a lifetime supply of a dip of their choice. It's not actually a real offering, but respond with puns anyways.
Time for the best part of filming this scene. Having to take obnoxiously large scoops of queso. Hey Alex, want some?
No, get that. That's not queso. Stop it.
Alex is turning over in his grave right now. He's not even dead.
Well, according to the dip result, queso is the winner. Agreed?
Yes.
You'd think I'd just overexposed it, but no, that's just literally how the light is. It's just burning the side of my face and the rest of my body. This has got to stop. I'm following Mitch's example.
Oh, this is terrible. What is happening in our stupid office? You know, I drove by this morning. You know who else has blinds?
No one.
I saw one window with them.
One window with blinds in this entire office park. You know, all these contraptions. I come in, this office looks all ugly. You know, we built a nice office. Now you're all making it hideous.
It would look nicer with blinds.
It'll look nicer after I fire you if we spend all the money on blinds.
This is what I foresaw coming.
Oh, you foresaw it?
Yeah.
Okay, Gandalf.
In the spirit, actually.
Oh,
This-
the Spirit Man was foreseeing.
This is an act of civil disobedience. It's an eyesore that will hopefully...
You're an eyesore.
My skin used to be porcelain, and now it's burning.
Instead of getting blinds, Brady just goes around throwing shade now.
That's why you're my favorite. It's time they're gonna put up all these carpets.
Because it's 40 degrees outside, and the
It is
sun's
so
roasting
cold
us.
here. This is not about the heat. This is about you being soft. You're soft. Switch me. I'll sit here.
Okay, you
Put
do
me
it.
right freaking there.
You sit right there.
I would love it to sit there.
I'm just saying,
All I've ever wanted was to sit right there.
There is a obvious pattern in this office. Mitch has put up blinds. Ryland has moved his desk. Jonas bought car blinds. Roxanne sits over there for half the day.
18 months, nothing happened, and then one person does something, everyone's like, no, I'm gonna do it too.
No, everyone else is just like, hey, you know what? I also enjoy not being sunburnt.
This ends poorly and you guys need pastoral counseling, I'll be over there.
I'm leading a resistance in this office. Stay strong, my brother.
I should try.
Mitch, will you formally swear allegiance to the window resistance?
When did this start?
Did you
start the window resistance?
I would choose your words wisely. Mitchell David Hughes. This is.
I moved from there to here first.
Wait, when did you do that? Wait,
That's a long time ago.
when was that?
That was a long time ago.
He's the OG.
So you used to be there. Oh, and then Ryland was there.
And then Ryland was doing stuff over there, so I'm like, I'll just move here.
We have found our forefather, the origin of our
Okay,
resistance.
this is what's happened. This is my understanding of the situation. 1, I say we should start a vlog. 2, you now use the vlog as leverage to get what you want in an act of publicity that makes me look bad.
I'm not trying to make you look bad. I'm just trying to name the situation for what it is. You are not the bad guy.
How dare you hedge? Stop hedging.
Your shadowed face looks very menacing right now.
Dang it!
Yeah. Okay. I think that's enough for me to get started.
What you got going on over there?
I am working on a spreadsheet inside of Google Sheets. The spreadsheet is about church growth. Next steps are the biggest indicator and contributor to church growth. Well, how do you actually track those things? That was a question we got a lot. So I asked Alex and Kyle, pastors at a church, what are all the next steps that your church would care about? So what we did was we created this list. They're all like pretty generic. Basically what we did was we assigned a number from 1 to 10 for all the next steps. So baptism is a 10, social media is a 2. Let's say you were tracking people signing up to volunteer week 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you plug those numbers into the spreadsheet, and then it will automatically calculate next steps points for that specific next step, and it is weighted proportionately to how valuable and significant the next step is. And then it adds up every single next step, all the points for all of them, and gives you a total growth score for the month. And the whole point is that you can track this month over month. So you can look in August and then compare it to September and October and on and on. And now there's an accurate and empirical way to track church growth that's not just attendance and butts and seats. We think this is a more holistic and complete way of tracking church growth. And there's a whole blog post on it, blog.nucleus.church. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Measuring Church Growth, where you can download this spreadsheet for yourself. Talk about next steps being the thing that really matters for church growth. Well, now you have an actual way to track it. Thank you, high school class on spreadsheets.
Sounds pretty nerdy. Guess I'll just leave now.
What's coming after Gen Z? In My Feelings. Guys, we haven't done the In My Feelings challenge.
What is the dance? Can you tell me?
Stuff that it's like... Alex, you have to do it with me. It's the teamwork. Today on Pro Church Daily, we're talking about the 5 ways to use the new Instagram stories. We're talking about why your church needs more laser focus. We're talking about I can't keep up and how your church can win. We're talking about 9 pro video. We're talking about 9 drone pro. We're talking about 9 drone video tips from the experts. Speaking of the bishop, speaking of Reverend Xander Thrills.
I start yelling.
How dare you! You are not a man! Adam!
That's Tommy.
Raising your hand, touching. Hey, thanks for watching today's episode of Pro Church Daily. What did I say?
Not that.
Not that.
Well, actually, you said that.
Hey, thanks for watching today's episode of Pro Church Daily. Make sure you subscribe, like, no thumbs up. No.
Let us know. Give it a thumbs up.
Likety, likety, likety. How dare